All right, so this is my unboxing and first impressions of the Galaxy Buds Pro 2. Yes, no, it's Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Get it right, man. All right, so this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Galaxy Buds Pro 2. I can't do this, man. What's going on, guys? So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. And this is a product that I'm very excited to unbox because I need to go running right now and my AirPods are dead and I've already switched to the Galaxy Flip 4. So I might as well use the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro and see what they're like. And if you guys want to see a zoom in of what the box looks like, there you go. All right, so let's go ahead and get some, I forgot my cutting knife. Before we get the cutting knife, I can't believe I almost forgot this. Let's see where this package was made. And what do you know? Good old, come on, focus for me. Made in Vietnam. All right, let's get this cut open here. I'm going to apologize in advance. This is probably gonna be a quick unboxing and first impressions because I really need to go running like right now. So let's go ahead. Okay, you can see that we have this little pouch here, which comes with our USB-C to USB-C cable, with some extra tips as well, as you can see. I like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and close that. And then the buds themselves, and I think that's all we get in the box. Borderline smells like dead fish, but not as bad. All right, slide this puppy on out. Okay, can you come out, please? Thank you. All right, so kind of has that recycled-ish feel to it. Almost like the outside of what the Sony headphones come in. So let me bring my Flip 4. All right, so let me make sure I don't have anything incriminating on here. So let me go ahead and take that off. All right, so as you can see, it's telling me to set up with my Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. I'm gonna go ahead and hit connect. I'm assuming I might have to install some extra software. Oh, I think I only do that with the OnePlus Buds. So, gonna allow that. Oh, I think this has to update. Yep, here we go. One thing I do want to mention about these headphones that they talked about at the event was that this has ability for hi-fi, which I think is pretty good. Might be the first in any headphones history. So, let's go ahead and get these put in here. You guys tell me how they look. Pretty good noise cancellation. All right, so I do have TIDAL, which has compatibility, which has the ability to provide hi-fi and even master quality music. So, okay, this is a little bit odd. I've never seen this before. I'm blocked? For what? Oh, I'm on a VPN, that's why. Wait, this sounds amazing. Wait, hold on. Okay, this is like no comparison to the AirPod Pros. I would say these are, this is just one song. Let me listen to another song. Let me listen to another song. No way. This sounds incredible. Actually incredible. That's insane. It sounds so clear. Samsung, I have almost, let me listen to this. Let me listen to this. I've never said this in an entire honeymoon unboxing first impression phase. I'm keeping these 100%. These are the best sounding earbuds I've ever used in my entire life. I don't know if their hi-fi thing is strictly between Samsung devices, but I don't even need to put in my AirPods to do a comparison to how it would sound because I've been using my AirPod Pros for, I don't even know, 3 years at this point, and I know what these sound like. And these sound really good. Like really good. But these, The Galaxy Bud Pro 2, Galaxy Buds 2, the new Buds that came out by Samsung, I would say are better, 100%. Like it's so light, so airy, so crisp, so clear. No balanced, like, I don't want these. Someone else take this. This is astonishing. Okay, I might have spoke too soon. I just played Sky's the Limit by Biggie, and it sounds odd. Maybe it's odd because I just hear a lot of separation between the instruments in the background and his vocals. And maybe it's because of the new hi-fi or the greater bandwidth that hi-fi has with these earbuds that I'm able to hear the separation better. It just sounds different. I wouldn't say good. It just sounds different. Maybe it's just gonna take time for my ears to get adjusted to how it's supposed to sound, potentially. Interesting though. It sounds like I'm in the studio, man. Oh my God. Yeah, this has a lot going for it. For one, I don't have to carry a completely separate cable for AirPods because it's just USB-C. Like my other device, I can wirelessly charge it. Like, this is a keep, 100%, 100%. I'm going to do a full review, but from first impressions, I'm keeping this no matter what. All right, now I'm going to do a quick test of how they actually fit inside my ear. And they're pretty tightly sealed, I would say right now. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot to like about these headphones right here. I would say these are one of the best, if not the best headphones I've ever used. When I do my comparison video between the AirPod Pros and the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, then I'll give you guys a final conclusion, but I can say right off the rip that I definitely prefer these over the AirPod Pros. USB-C, wireless charging, the case feels a little bit smaller, more pocketable. So for one, if you already have a Samsung device or basically any non-Apple device, you have USB-C, you just carry around one cable, I think that's already a major plus. Plus, you have different color styles you can choose from. The material on the outside here is not plastic. It definitely feels like some type of recycled material, but it definitely feels robust. All right, so I've never done this in the honeymoon phase of testing out new earbuds, but I'm actually gonna go on a run, give you some thoughts on how I feel about it outside in real world conditions with the active noise canceling and such, and then give you guys, I don't know, my final thoughts on my first impressions. So without further ado, I'll be back. I'll probably be drenched in sweat, but it's for the cause. I'm back from my run, and after I go running, I'm in a very calm, zen state. So my ideas and thoughts are pretty clear on what I want to say. The headphones are amazing. I did disable the touch controls, mainly because sometimes when I'm running, I want to, readjust them a little bit, and sometimes that paused the song, and I didn't want that to happen. So I disabled the controls, so it's more or less sort of like my AirPod Pros because I don't want my music to stop when I'm running. That being said, I did mess with my headphones way less than the AirPod Pros. I probably adjusted these like twice. The AirPods, I would be adjusting those like every 2 minutes in my run. So in terms of the seal, fit, and finish, I would say I prefer these of the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. The other thing I want to mention, these are very lightweight. I would say after 10 minutes of running, I forgot there were things even in my ear. Obviously there was music playing, but in terms of the weight themselves, I could barely feel anything in my ears. And I would say it doesn't feel as, what's the word that I'm looking for? It doesn't feel as punishing, doesn't feel as heavy on my ear canal, the bottom earlobe here. My earlobe is perfectly comfortable. I feel like I could wear these for hours and not be fatigued wearing them whatsoever. I'm trying to think of what else. The music, active noise canceling, everything was superb when I went on my run with these Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. 100% I'm keeping these. I would probably swap them out for a different color. White's great and all, but I'd say I prefer a darker color or maybe a more fun color because when you're working out, you're trying to express yourself, and white's very bland, I would say, because everyone else has like AirPods. Everyone's just doing this whole white thing, which is, it's fine, it's cool, but different colors would be nice. So yeah, this was the song I was listening to on my way back. I mean, with the Atmos enabled, it's not normal, come on. These headphones or these earbuds are just crazy good. Like, I've never heard music sound so good through earbuds over streaming, over Bluetooth. Like, it's crazy. It sounds so good. It's not even close to AirPod Pros. It's amazing. Anyway, I think that's pretty much gonna wrap it up from my running portion, my running self. Probably gonna go lay down. Actually, I'm looking at pasta. I just cooked some pasta, so I'm gonna go eat that and pass out. Also, for my coworkers and family and friends who don't believe me that I run in 90-degree weather, let me show you. Let me show you. You guys tell me what it says for feels like. Let's say 98. Oh man. And listen, I'm not here to try and flex that I run in hot weather. You're not supposed to. It's really bad for you. It's just I can't keep myself from running. I have to run. Anyway, guys, I'm either gonna end the video here or just go back to the regular portion of the video. But peace.